Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using this wood panel from Temu and scrapbook paper from Hobby Lobby. I paint the sides as well as the back with black chalk paint, and that's by Waverly. The flat unfinished side of the panel I add Mod Podge to. While the Mod Podge is still wet, I add on the scrapbook paper, lining up one of the sides of the paper with the edge of the panel just so I make sure that that paper is nice and straight. Smooth it out with my hands and dry it with my heat tool. I then use my micro sander that I got from Amazon and I sand off the excess paper. I add a layer of Mod Podge to the top of the paper and then I'm drying that with my heat tool. And just to make sure I get rid of any leftover bubbles that are on there while that's still warm from my heat tool, I take parchment paper and I smooth out any bubbles or wrinkles that are still remaining. Next, I'm taking these hearts I got from Hobby Lobby. They're just under 3 inches, and I paint them with crimson red chalk paint, and that's also by Waverly. Next, I'm taking these 3/4 inch letters that I got from Amazon and painting them with white acrylic paint. I then take tacky glue and apply that to the back of each of the letters and place one on each heart. I use my heat tool to make sure that that glue is fully set on those letters to make sure they're fully adhered. I then take my black Posca paint marker and draw little dashes all the way around the border of each heart to make it look sort of like stitching. I take those hearts and I place them on the scrapbook paper, just kind of lining them up at a little bit of an angle, and then hot glue those into place. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.